In this video, I will show you how to create a Copy.AI affiliate account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to Copy.AI. Now you don't actually need a normal account with Copy.AI, you can actually apply for the affiliates program separately. So to do this, what you want to do from the homepage is just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and once you come all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see some options right down here. And if you look under the company section, which is down here, you will see the link to the affiliate program. So what you want to do is give this a click. And what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and fill in the application for your affiliate. So you can see it's automatically picked up my Google account. If you don't want to use this one, you can go ahead and switch your account by clicking this link here. And all you want to do is basically fill in this form. So you want to put your full name, along with your best contact email, your website or social media profile link, and you just want to basically tell them how you intend to promote Copy.AI. So whether that's through social media or if you have like an email list that you're going to be promoting to, you want to put that in here. Next, you want to tell them what kind of audience you're planning to target, and also you want to select how large is your audience. So for example, if you're looking to promote on Facebook and you've got a Facebook following of 5,000, you would of course select this option down here. So once you've gone ahead and completed the form, all you need to do is click the submit button down here at the bottom, and that's going to send that through. Now, if your application is successful, what's going to happen is as an affiliate, you will earn a 45% commission, as you can see here, on all payments within the first 12 months. So that's how to go ahead and create a Copy.AI affiliate account. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.